When the judgment day comes, many will say to me, Lord, Lord, in your name we spoke God's message. By your name we drove out many demons and performed many miracles. Now that's pretty incredible. Devil come out, they come out. Okay, that's what he's saying here. Then I will say to them, I never knew you. Get away from me, you wicked people. Now I'm going to give you a quick explanation so you can understand what Jesus is saying here. Let's say a lady comes to church here, and she brings in 5 kids, 5 children. And she sits in the front row right here, and has 5 kids sitting next to her. And she says, Pastor Joe, these are your children. Now, right then, my wife would be like, what? And I look at her, and she says, this one built an orphanage. This one's a charity. This one's a pastor. This one has a youth ministry. And I look at this woman and I say, listen, ma'am, everything you told me is great, but I never knew you. I never had intimacy with you. And what was birthed from you did not come from me. What he's saying here is people that try to do ministry without intimacy, what was birthed wasn't from God. Although they used his name, you could take my name and use my name, but I didn't have intimacy with you. So nothing was birthed between me and you. What you did was good, but it wasn't God. And many ministries have been birthed from a good idea, but it's not a God idea. This ministry has been birthed from intimacy because ministry is a child of intimacy.